Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather across the Arklatex here for the next week and a half. And it looks like a bit of a change in our weather pattern going to be taking place. Obviously, we've been warm and dry here recently. We will see on and off warm and cool periods, but we'll start to see more rain as we go through the next week and a half. That's definitely not the case today, as once again we have an abundant supply of sunshine. Temperatures as of 1 o'clock this afternoon have already warmed into the low to middle 80s across the region. It is quite possible that we will either tie or break the record of 87 in both Texarkana and Shreveport here during the course of the rest of the afternoon, as that sunshine will continue. As far as what is ahead of us, we are looking at a bit of a change in the weather pattern. You can see our next upper level disturbance moving into the Pacific Northwest and the Rockies. That is going to push a cold front towards the Arklatex here during the next 24 hours. Ahead of it, it's been a rather windy and warm day today, and that is not going to change here in the next 24 hours, as we will stay rather windy, we will stay rather warm. Notice that frontal system making its way into the central sections of Oklahoma by tomorrow evening. Behind this front, we will see a drop in temperatures, as we will likely see our highs Wednesday at midnight pretty close to 70, and we will struggle to make it far into the 60s with a gusty north to northwesterly wind behind this frontal system during the day on Wednesday. Here's a look at Robin's Stereo to Futurecast. You can see the south wind continuing tonight as we'll see the clouds increase. I kind of doubt that we'll have any worries as far as rain tonight. I kind of doubt we'll see any worries as far as rain tomorrow as well, even though Futurecast does show a little bit of light rain possible. Main thing, expect lots of clouds tomorrow, maybe a few rays of sunshine. But temperatures again tomorrow with that gusty south to southwesterly wind will warm back up into the low to middle 80s across the area. And then here comes the front. You can see it moving through most of the Arklatex tomorrow night. There will be a very small chance for a little bit of rain. Futurecast probably a bit too aggressive on the coverage of that rain. Other models actually keeping us totally dry. You can see as we go through the day Wednesday, we will stay cloudy. Again, kind of doubt we'll see much as far as rain. Main thing Wednesday will be the cooler temperatures, as we'll see lows in the morning, upper 50s, lower 60s. We may rise a few degrees during the day, but nonetheless, pretty good change in temperatures on the way as we go into the middle part of the work week. And then we will likely see those cooler temperatures begin to modify as we head towards the weekend. Wind gusts tomorrow. Again, we'll see sustained winds 15 to 20. We could see the occasional gust of 30 to 35 miles per hour with those southwesterly winds keeping us warm. And then longer range, what's going to be happening is we'll see a series of disturbances begin to impact us. Here's our first disturbance. Again, most of the upper level support will stay to our north as we go through Wednesday into Thursday. Another disturbance will bring us a possibility for some rain late Thursday and Thursday night. Kind of doubt we'll have many issues with thunderstorms with this particular system. And then we'll see a second disturbance begin to approach the area very late Sunday. Most of this rain will be Sunday night and Monday, and severe weather will be on the table for the arrival of this particular system, as temperatures likely will be back up close to 80 in spots on Sunday, and that will be enough to allow for some potentially strong thunderstorms to develop Sunday night and Monday. Then we'll take a bit of a pause during the middle part of the week, and then later next week we'll see yet another chance for some rain. And we have been dry here for the past couple of weeks. That is going to change. Here's a look at the blend of models, which goes out 10 days, basically from now through next Thursday. Notice normal in the 10-day period now up to 1.7 inches. We'll be pretty close to normal in the next week and a half over most of the Arklatex. A little bit lower amounts over the western sections of the area. Amounts could exceed 2 inches over the northeastern sections of the Arklatex. Now, a little disclaimer on this: a lot of this rain that is in these numbers occurs during the last half of the 10-day period, so we likely will see some changes as we move forward. But nonetheless, as of right now, it does look like a little bit more rain in the future of the Arklatex as we go through the next couple of weeks. So your forecast for tonight: expect a mostly cloudy sky. It will stay mild. It will stay rather breezy. We'll see a low in Shreveport at 66, 65 degrees in Texarkana, 64 degrees in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, another mostly cloudy day. It once again will be windy and warm. We'll see highs ranging from pretty close to 80 over the northern parts of the area to the low to middle 80s. Further to the south, right around 84 in Shreveport, 79, 80 degrees in Texarkana, 84 degrees also for the high temperature in Natchitoches. 10-day forecast shows that decent shot for the rain Thursday. Best chance for some thunderstorms will be Sunday night into Monday. Again, that is the time frame when severe weather will next again be possible, and then we'll see more rain possible during the middle part of next week. Notice the cool down during the middle part of this week, warm up heading into the weekend, and another cool down with temperatures closer to normal by the middle part of next week. So again, it looks like an end to our warm and dry weather pattern on the way, as we'll see a chance for some rain Wednesday night, especially Thursday, and a chance for some potentially strong thunderstorms Sunday night into Monday.